An Ecuadorian. Ecuadorian. What's going on here? Highlighter. There's a girl in a highlighter dress. Hey, roll my window down. Fucking. What's this? Yeah, it's an old hag right there in fucking highlighter yellow, highlighter green.
Yeah, sticking out.
That's all you, dog. Jesus, go on that. Can you handle that, bro?
That shirt's the same. What? Man.
Not the one in the white, not the hot one in white.
That's what I'm
No.
Highlighted.
The highlighter right there. Pick her out right there. Get that. Go for it, dog.
I'll take the white if you take the green.
Yo, it's teamwork, dog.
I'll take both.
Oh, fuck.
Take them both? Yeah, much your shit.
What's asqueroso, bro? The fuck is that, man? Don't speak Ecuadorian if you're not gonna.
Ecuadorian.
What else is on here?
Dude, I'm gonna pull in like this.
To pull in for what, dog?
See if we find any ratchets. Right
Yo,
here.
careful, bro. You almost hit the fucking car. Fucking idiot.
Let me know if you see anything.
Yeah, I see two hotties.
Look, a mom and his daughter.
Hola. Hello.
She ain't about it.
She ain't about it. She knows what's going on.
She's like, I've seen this video.
Hey, they told me about Miami.
Oh, look at this one right here.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Look at the dog. The
Hello.
dog in the yellow shirt. That's okay, bro.
Hi there. Hey, what's up, sweetie? Could I talk to you for a second? Oh. Oh, no, don't worry. We're filming. We're doing a little documentary about dogs and pretty girls, you know? Yeah, come here. Just come here for a second. Oh my God, what kind of dog is that?
A pug.
A pug? Oh my God, what's his name?
Martin.
For real? Martin? That's a weird name for a fucking dog. Holy shit. Are you Cuban?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Fuck dog. You're not Ecuadorian, are you?
No.
No? Are you sure? We like Ecuadorian girls around here. No, so listen, we're doing a little a documentary about like girls in Miami and you know with animals and pets and all that kind of stuff. Are you interested in coming in, doing a little interview with us?
No, I'm okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
No, I have some cash, you know. Eh? Yeah, it's money. Come here. Let me look. I'll pay you $50, and just come on in. We'll ask you some questions, just about just about your dog. Pretty simple.
I'm kind of just walking the dog for the weekend, Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't matter if you're walking a dog, but you can make some money. That's what's more important. Walking a dog or making money. Think about it.
What about my dog?
Yo, what the fuck are you doing? No, the dog can come with us. It's no big deal. Just jump in. Just jump on in. Yo, Bruno, open up the door.
All right.
Yeah, just jump on in. We'll talk with the
Just
dog.
for a second.
Just for a second. Yeah, just come on in.